up, y'all? Back. I'm back. I'm fully back. I'm committed now. Want y'all to hear the car? Cause I ain't did a real vlog in a minute. Like for real. I got a new car and everything. I ain't even put my car on the channel. But what's the word? How y'all been? Oh shit, my bad. Get a little real for y'all. Okay, that's a little real for y'all. Muffler delete, resonator delete, you know. But I just want to come to y'all and let y'all know, you know, I'm back. I'm back. KJ Hyundai is on the scene. Ooh, y'all saw how mean she sounded. Her name is Priscilla. But I'm definitely gonna come to y'all with content and give y'all more content so I can build my channel some more. I just want to say that I love y'all, love all my supporters, and I'm out.